We got the 2018 Honda Civic Si, came through today. He wanted to straight pipe it, so that's what we did. We took off that resonator and the muffler. Over here is where that little resonator was. Jay, show him, it's right there on the floor. We just replaced it with some stick of pipe, sprayed it down, welded it up nice and neatly. And the back over here was the muffler. It's right there on the floor. Guys, not too much resale value. I say that all the time. Good luck with the shipping costs on that. And then the customer wanted these matte black tips popping right out of the back, nice and straight. We're gonna clean them up for him, but check those out. It's a good shot, Jay. Yeah. Nice. Guys, these are available at gexhaust.com. Also, any other system that you like, fully bolt-on systems, AWE, Borla, Corsa, whatever, go check them out. Gio created this shopping cart the other day. It's the Coogee wagon, Muffy D style. All right, check out the links in the description. We have merch. We also are franchising, so if you want to own a G Exhaust, just inquire on gexhaust.com. All right, let's hear it.